This video is for Knowledge Organiser 1 for Year 8Delta classes. What I would like you to do is read the first page of the Knowledge Organiser. Watch this video and work through the examples. Try the questions from the Knowledge Organiser and then complete any Maths Watch work set. This new piece of work that we're going to be doing today is on graphs. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line graph when we have the equation y equals 2x minus 1, and we're going to do that by drawing a table of values from x equals minus 2 to 2. We're then going to extend that graph to show minus 3 and 3 included in it. Now your Knowledge Organiser has this set out in a specific way. It says 2x, 2x minus 1, and then it has your coordinates underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work through this the way the Knowledge Organiser has set out. Then I'm going to do it how I would do it individually. So if x equals each of these values, for 2x, all we do is we times each of these by 2. So minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Our next line is now 2x minus 1. So what we must do is we must take away 1 from each of these values here. So that becomes minus 5. This becomes minus 3. This becomes minus 1. This becomes 1. And this becomes 3. I'm then going to write each of these coordinates down. So we've got 2 minus 5. Noticing that this is our x coordinate and this would be our y coordinate. I have minus 1, minus 3. I've got 0, minus 1, 1, 1, and 2, 3. What we will then do is we'll plot this on this graph I have here. So minus 2, minus 5 goes here. Minus 1, minus 3 becomes here. 0 minus 1 is here. 1, 1, and then 2, 3. Now, what we'll do is we'll get a ruler and we'll draw a straight line that goes through all of these points. And what we will do is we'll extend it off the graph so that it goes through minus 3 to 3 here. Now, that's one way you can do it. Some students may prefer to jump straight to 2x minus 1, and I'll show you how to do this during this. So we could, if we were going to do this, we would say that 2x minus 1 would substitute each of our values into this. So we'd say minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Take away 1 gives us minus 5. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Take away 1 is minus 3. 0 times 2 is 0. Take away 1 is minus 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Take away 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Take away 1 is 3. Again, we can say these are our coordinates and we can go ahead and plot them. So we go minus 2, minus 5. We go minus 1, minus 3. We go 0, minus 1, 1, 1, and 2, 3. We get our ruler and we draw a line that goes through it. What I'd like you to do is use this video to help you complete the second side of the Knowledge Organiser and any Maths Watch work set. Thank you.